Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are heading to see Chappy. Wow!
Chappy, I forgot to put rail in on the bridge.
It's slippery and because of the water boats, so I have to try to keep a balance. Here, Chappy voice. Wow!
You hear him? Sure, sound on radio?
It is sound like him. Lord.
Gonna drop off.
Yeah.
Here you done the intro?
I think so.
Distract you.
I think so.
I don't think so.
I'm tired.
Woo! Eh?
Just tired walking up the hill. Huh?
Tired of what? Chappy clean out the gutter. And cut new ones.
With the birds them chirping.
Chappy spray down the cocoa them. It's my dip on the farm, my talk. How are peeps, sir? How are peeps, sir? Tell big sweet up chat to you because we're there.
Chappy, what's up?
Fine.
There. Whoa.
So you just stand up in the doorway, so?
That's it. Why?
Then how you think you one day you want to live in a world and you talk to somebody over there?
Come Chappy, come another side here because we can't reach her at the so. Alright. Don't move.
Don't move, we got you under
Don't move yet.
surveillance.
Okay. I'm in the car, you know.
Okay.
I tell Big say.
Yeah, chat to say.
No, I tell Big say. Wow, man. Promise me something, man. I'm man dying to give me. So I want to see the man then start this place to give me. Then if you come line out it today, but I don't know what you know. You would come today.
Oh.
You know what. You know, so late still because I was line out it to me. That's what Ziggy said today.
Okay.
Ah boy, I'm there, you know man.
The pain gone?
Gone, a little bit. Me put on one I think two yesterday. I'm going to go. There, he cannot give me a ease. I'm going to go to the doctor yesterday with it.
Pain patch.
I got a doctor yesterday. Me get some medication and something. Somewhere up there yesterday.
Okay.
So everything alright, all tests and everything, blood tests and everything good. No, it's a light I just done my stove, gas stove, and I know that. I just nice stove done. I just done. Yesterday me come and cook me, see me make up all the fire. So I catch it wood fire. You know, it can't take long to catch it when I sun dry.
You have some?
And I light them over there, do we there, man?
Them, nothing can light.
Rest of them cool. Oh, the light and not light.
Nothing light, me say. Me I light this name, but everything up the cool, you know.
Put them in the sun.
Light one piece of floor cloth and throw it light, but you know, see, make no fire yet.
Floor cloth.
Piece of one, me take brush out the house and wipe up.
Oh.
Mosquito them bad up here.
Yeah, may I say you have some mosquito in them big tail.
You catch them up, man.
Why? You know me deal with them, you know. Me get them out the house, so. I kinda get them out the house, so.
You have to light fire on the house.
Out the road there, you know. You know, say fire for carry them away, you know. Alright, like how you see children falling on, no fire no light for 2 weeks now out the door. But the inside fire light, let's say something that was probably with them last night also. Right?
Hold it up, me see.
Done.
Nothing in there, it's finished.
That's why your stove now light.
And I stove, me say gas, if you know gas not in there, if you light the stove.
Oh, it just gas and light it.
Gas done, man, then upon 17 of that month, I gas done. The month I gone.
Oh, that time if you done?
2 months that, and I have more. I get that, me must get more 2 weeks out of it. Since now.
2 weeks more?
Yeah, over a month.
Okay.
Done, man, it's done. If I
See,
want,
light you know? None burn you.
it's supposed to in there.
It light choppy.
Chop it and hold the fire.
So what you gonna do with it? You hold the fire.
I smoking one.
Lord have
I
mercy.
mosquito destroyer.
Mosquito bite something, light it in.
Well, it's still lit. It will burn
blaze
right
come
down to your finger.
Yeah, make him wear out.
Oh boy. Oh, yeah, make
Keep
this.
it out. So you see, tighten up one part and then it takes time. But oh, morning, yeah, morning.
Morning, Chappy.
Let's see.
We can look for you. You see how early we come?
Yeah. I tell him, say, give thanks, man. Come, it's already, things must have gone.
So you see where things must have gone.
Look how much time we come on, now go on.
Yeah, but that's how it has to, you know, every day things can go on, but at times, you know.
Yes.
I mean, you know, so early, you know, so if I one night food did it to rat, it work alright. But you know how to get as you get up. Likkle, you know.
You can check him the other day.
Yeah, he tell me, say, yes.
Alright, so we're now keeping a suspense because since you say something must have gone, make we come.
Yeah.
We have a donor who, you know, she saw you and I think she knows you too because she's asking if it's Chappy from New Hope.
Yeah.
So she sent something for you. So we're going to give you in a little while, alright?
Then we can quote him.
Man, try your luck.
Yeah, see him. Yeah, me not see it.
You know, sir?
And I go see her.
And we also bring you some food and enough, but more than one night dinner.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
Welcome, yeah.
So we want to bless up. We want to bless up the donor.
Yes,
Yes,
thanks
man.
for the donor too. I want the house.
Well, I'll tell you her name afterwards because I don't want to call her name because I don't know if she wants us to do that on air.
Okay.
So I'll tell you afterwards so you see if you can figure out who the person is. But she asked if it's Chappy from New Hope, so it must mean that she know you.
Yeah. That's what I tell Big say. He must give me zinc. Give me come on if he zinc, you know. So I tell him say me spend
It's black. Which zinc? A black man.
But you see a zinc in there give me.
Oh, the one from Falmouth?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You see a zinc when I get money for about me tell you say now is any material that I want now if you finish up what you want now will I get it. So I put 250 black pan it to 10 bag of cement. Nothing say a ziggy control all them with the phone or something because I have no phone.
Okay.
So I don't know what them are do yet still but I have to wait so I just say I have to wait see way.
Yeah, man.
I mean, say me get the kick I am at me say I'm going to chew one of that 10 bag of cement there so it can't too much. And say you want 35 bag or something like that. I 30 so I say take 5 more for Mr. White and if you could sip sun anything else you want come if see if me can back up the money out I ground and pay him.
Yeah. You good that you help yourself out of farm though, Chappy?
Yeah man, cause careless still.
What make you say that?
Squeeze the farm little longer, little more.
Oh.
You see me? Time make one dig but sometimes you dig because you do this, do that and you go back again and if you take time if you want one lick and take and just go through it and something you like along.
Yeah, but because you may have to go in there from time to time depending on your need.
Yeah, and you have it right and that much because everything have to go on.
Just a wet, you know?
Everything have to go on so you have to just know say why you have to take time go on.
Yeah. Alright, so we're not keeping on longer. Alright, so we came to, you know, because we have this donor who donated to you.
Yeah.
So we want to tell her thanks and, you know, just bless her up.
Yeah, man.
And thank her for, you know, giving and may her store basket may never be empty.
You see me?
Alright, so until next time, you want to say something, Chappy?
I say me give thanks to all who can say Brown or I can say Mr. Brown or I can member me same way, you know, because right now you see me have a big problem. I have a big problem but sometimes I have to just go and I have to just go and brush him on. It's not done good as that.
It's so sort out, man. Because you're on your way.
So I'm not too afraid to that, you know, but you want to see something come up.
You're on your way because you have a few things and you know, Ziggy help you get things lined up and so on.
Because when this I don't want, listen now, I'm go, we start out, yes or no, I'm go, no, nothing, go money. Yeah, if we get somebody help me to give foundation.
Okay.
Start out. Wasn't they can start out. Until that come up by sometime I get one come on no man have to waste even just no say. I work for my base.
Yes. Alright guys. Yes man. Alright everyone, thank you so much as usual for your continued support. Bless up to all our donors, all our subscribers and everyone who supports us. So until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye bye.
Yeah.